Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my version of Jaiva. What you're going to need is a good sized container. I'm going to be using 2 jalapenos and 1 serrano pepper. The serrano is going to add the heat while the jalapeno isn't. A large or medium onion. Some limes. A cucumber. Avocados. Some cilantro. I'm going to be using some crab here. It's going to be in flake style. This is about 24 ounces. I do have a separate packet on the side because I am going to be making 2 batches, as you will see. Some tomatoes. Next, I'm going to be shredding the crab. This crab meat is in flake style, so it's just gonna fall apart fairly easy. Once that's all been shredded, here you see me separated into different bowls, so I have enough space for the vegetables and juice that's gonna be added. I'm gonna slice up all my limes and set them aside. Dice my tomatoes as well as my onion. I'm gonna be honest, I use a processor for this because I'm a crybaby when it comes to onions. Next, I'm gonna be dicing up my cucumber. And this is what our bowl looks like so far, guys. Next, I'm going to dice up my avocado. Please be careful with this. I've heard of that thing called avocado ham because people, hurt themselves, so watch out. I like cutting it in half and then cutting that piece in half again, just so when I dice it up, the cubes aren't that thick. Next, I'm going to dice up my jalapenos and serranos and add it to the bowl. Here I'm going to have my husband squeeze all the limes into this because I am a weakling. Once that's all done, all we're going to do here is add our clamato. Normally you need a 32-ounce bottle for 1 batch. Here I'm using a 64-ounce bottle because I'm making 2 separate batches. We're going to mince up our cilantro. Once that's all put into the bowl, we're going to season it with some pepper and some salt. We're just gonna mix that up. Now that that's done, I'll show you my presentation. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Please like and subscribe. Leave me any recommendations on anything you'd like to see. And until next time, guys, bye. Sick of both of you right now.
It's not gonna work, babe. Why you gotta be so loud, dude? What's wrong with you?
He's like, first of all, what's wrong with you?